What is the first thing? Can you please write once in your notes again? I told yesterday, compulsory pen and paper must be required. These are not just something like technical skills. These things should be injected in your body. In every cell of your body, these points should be there. In your day-to-day activities, these things should be reflected. Make sure. Yes, can you please write the first one? If I want a top quality, I must do it myself. Yes, most of the people out of 100, 99% of the people mindset is the same. Okay, remember this. If I want a top quality, I must do it myself. Yes, in most of the activities, you are not in a position to delegate your activity for your peers, for your friends, or for your family members. Like, what is the reason is they may not do in quality way. They may not do in my required way. Okay, like so quality wise, they may compromise. That's why I don't want allow this activity to do by others. I want to do alone. How many people having this type of mindset? Anywhere have you thought this? Yes, friends, respond. If you are not responding, then I'm not in a position to continue. Yes, anyone? Yes, every person, right? Yes, every person having at least in not only in software, everywhere this type of mindset will be there. Okay, if I want a top quality, I must do it myself. Yes, most of the people are having this type of mindset. The second thing, sir, observe. Yes, can you please write? Can you please write? Because this mindset you require to remove, you require to delete from your mind. That's why this point, this type of mindset thoughts you have to remove from your mind. That's why I'm asking again to rewrite. Yeah, just can you please write the second, sir? I can't afford to hire anyone right now. I can't afford. I can't afford to hire anyone right now. Yes, how many people are having this type of problem? This type of mindset. Respond. Don't be silent. How many people are having this type of mindset? I can't afford to hire anyone because my income is low. Because I'm not having any money, something like that. Here, take very special care. If you hire someone, okay, because of money problem, I'm not in a position to hire. If you hire someone, what benefit you are going to get? Can you please confirm? Suppose instead of walking, instead of I have to move 2 kilometers. I have to travel 2 kilometers. By walk I will go. By auto I will go. If I can take auto instead of by walk, what advantage I will get? Array, respond. Don't be silent. What is the advantage I will get? Yes, good. Good, Surinder. What about many people? Respond. What advantage we will get? Yes, correct. Good, Shashank. Vidyanath. Okay, save time. Correct, right? Save time. You can save the time. Now I will ask only one question. Of course, throughout this total 25 chapters of summary is the same thing only. Time versus money. Which is the most valuable? Which is the most valuable? Time is the most valuable or money is the most valuable? Time once gone, you can't revert back, you can't recreate.